All right, getting back in the Kia Telluride here after running the errands at Sam's Club. Oh, nice leather interior. Showed you guys some of this already. Nice. Still got leather all throughout. This obviously is the harder plastic, but leather steering wheel, leather armrest here, leather center console, seats all the way back. Captain's chairs, third row, which the wife wanted, so we got that for her. Nice. Heated seats, not ventilated seats. Upper trim level models, more upper trim level models than this, have the ventilated and heated seats. Got them in our 2019 Silverado. But again, this ride is nice. Again, as always, make sure I say this because this is the most important part. Very grateful for the things I have, because myself, my family didn't always have nice things, but somehow, some way, my grandparents, my parents made a way out of no way. I am very grateful for that, and very grateful for my parents as well. I don't know if some of you guys have experienced this as well, but I used to have 3 different birthdays every single year when I was a kid. So did my sister, my younger sister, and my older brother. And for us to not have a whole lot, my parents sure did make a way. And I greatly appreciate that. Taught me delayed gratification, taught me, hey, take care of your family, take care of your kids before you take care of yourself. And that's a lot of the things that I do now, which I could say this. I actually was thinking about this today too, honestly, of me working a lot and spending my money on my wife and my kids first, and then spending a little bit on me for one thing. So like this weekend, I'm taking my wife and my kids for my wife's birthday, the day before my wife's birthday, to a Guardians game. It was just something that I felt would be good for us to do as a family. My daughter has been to her first game when she was actually, I think, turning 1 year old, and 1 or 2. I think it was pretty sure it was 1. But my son is 1 now, so it's time for him to go to his first game. So I thought, what better way to do that than the day before my wife's birthday, because my wife obviously likes spending time together as a family as well. So they figured it'd be a nice thing to do. Another thing before we get going here, if you have auto stop start on your vehicle, make sure you guys turn that off every single time that you go to drive. I told you guys why that's very important to do every single time you get into your vehicle. And unfortunately for a lot of vehicles, they don't make tuners to be able to turn that off, so you don't have to keep turning it off every single time you start your vehicle, because that can get annoying, obviously, or you forget. But like in our 2019 Silverado, we have the Pulsar LT that fully eliminates that, so you don't have to turn it off every single time you get in the truck, which is very nice. But with this one, you do. So going back to the story here, and then I'll end the video there. Very grateful for the things that I have now. Very appreciative of them. I work hard for my money. I work extra. You guys know I do the landscaping, doing extra with that as well. And then obviously doing the YouTube stuff, which doesn't pay me a whole lot, but it's something. And I used to think, okay, what I'm getting from YouTube, man, that's nothing. And I actually had a little bit of indication for myself to stop doing it. But again, you guys are watching the channel. You guys are leaving comments and video suggestions, so I keep making videos because it's what you guys want to see, and I'm very happy to do so, which is why I always say that in the videos at the beginning or the end. So keep on making video suggestions so I can keep on making these videos for you guys, because I greatly appreciate it and want to do the videos. So again, being very appreciative of where I've came, where I was from, where I am now, how I've gotten the things that I've gotten so far. And again, this is no means bragging about anything, because I'm still, as one of my coworkers used to say when I first started my main job, a bottom feeder. I'm still at the bottom, so I'm still very humble about everything that I have now. So I also have preached in a couple videos now about your health, and your health being the most important thing in this entire world, because if you don't have your health, you have nothing. Because the one thing or example that I gave was any of us today that are out driving vehicles, out walking, breathing normally, functioning normally, go into a hospital. You can pick any hospital, you can pick any room, go into any room, and I guarantee you your life, that any person you talk to would 1000% in a heartbeat switch places with you that is unhealthy, or that can't walk, or that can't hear anymore, or that can't move their body anymore, or can't lost some of their senses, can't taste anymore, can't hear anymore, etc. Can't get up and just go outside. And so if you did that, you would quickly see how important your health is. So that's why I say that as well. So to end this video off here, guys, on the car, it's a great ride, very appreciative of it. Was able to, wow, that turn almost, it was a bad turn there, lady, but you corrected it, you fixed it, so great job. But very grateful that my wife was able to get this vehicle, very grateful for our family to have it. I have another vehicle. I'm not sure the plan with this one, the long future plan. Again, I'm not a big Kia guy. I don't know Kia 30-year long reliability stats. That's something that I have to look up and figure out. So I don't know if this is going to be a long-term vehicle for us, but it is nice. It's going to do the job for us right now, and that's all I can say about that at the moment. Obviously, a few videos later on might be changing that statement, but we'll see. So thank you guys for watching. Appreciate it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. It's free to do, and I'd greatly appreciate it. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.